Hey everyone, welcome to my video. So these are my Instant Locs. This is like super fresh, just a few days after I finished. And so they're very frizzy, not budded or anything like that, but they are forming. And this last picture is just a couple weeks after I finished. Okay, so on to the actual Instant Loc method. First of all, please excuse the scenery. I'm in a hotel and it is probably like 3 in the morning at this point, so I know my eyes are glazed over. I'm super tired, but I'm trying to get this done and I just figured I'd record a little bit. So I'm trying to show you how I'm doing this, and all I'm doing is I'm rolling the section of hair kind of back and forth while I use the tool and just go in and out with it. And I just go all the way down, although I'm not going to the very end of the hair, because I know a lot of people do, and a lot of people actually tuck the end and crochet the end, but I'm actually just leaving the ends loose, and I just want to see what's going to happen and just let it do its own thing. So stay tuned for that. Also, I'm going to be interlocking the roots after this, after I get some sleep, but right now I'm just doing the crochet, the Instant Loc method, and yeah, I ended up with about 60 locks, which was my goal. I consider these thick, and that's what I wanted. Hopefully they will puff up soon, but right now they're already like pretty thick on their own. And I did have to take some out and rearrange some parts and stuff like that. Some I made too big, some I made too small, but for the most part I kind of stuck to what I had originally, so you're gonna see that. But in the next clip I'm gonna be showing the interlocking method, but that will be the next morning. Okay, so we are almost done. I'm just showing you guys my little homemade bootleg interlocking tool that I made. Y'all gotta excuse this, but I was on the road when I did these and I just was anxious to get it done. So I used a bobby pin, a small bobby pin, and the tip of my crochet little tool, and I put the two together and I just made do. And this is super bootleg, but it worked. It actually worked really well. Other than like the two pieces coming apart ever so often. But anyway, all I'm doing like a 4-point rotation, and I'm starting from the side. I think for most of them, I don't really have a routine yet because I'm not used to this yet, but I did side to side and then front to back for most of them. And I only needed to do like 1 or 2 points. I think they're called points, like rotation points, because I don't want it too tight. I wanted it to still be comfortable, plus these are really thick locks, so putting an extra point is just going to be like really tight, if you know what I mean. So anyway, I did this for my whole head and it didn't take too long, and so I'm just going to go ahead and speed this up in a second. Enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for updates on my locks.